So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, usapang trade ulit tayo. At mag-focus tayo sa tatlong teams na eliminated na po, Terra Firma, Blackwater at Phoenix, and we will give them the type of player that they should try to target in a trade kabola. And then of course, things interesting po na happenings around the league. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka ipindot mo po description button. So kabola, ito na nga kabola, ang mga comments ng mga fans. Ronaldo Rebusit, dahil hindi naman manginayang TNT kung hindi matrade si Mikey, basta di nila ibibigay kung di nila magusto o gusto nilang kapalit, sabi kabol. Of course, di naman nila itatrade yan kung di nila makakuha yung gusto nila. John Libre, diehard ako sa Alaska noon. Ngayon, ang team ko is si Aranya. Sayang, bitawan ng Converge. Medyo di ko po gets yung comment nyo. Pero ang ibig nyo bang sabihin, ang favorite team nyo na ngayon is Converge? Hindi po yan nakapagtataka. Joe Mendoza, Arana and Stockton for Mikey trade. Ronaldo Rebusit ulit, malabo na magkasundo ng TNT at Converge kundi bibigay sa Arana Stockton nakapalit ni Mikey kasi hindi papayag ang TNT na malugi sa trade. Kaya yan, tama naman, di ba? Hindi papayag yan kabola, pero necessary naman na may Arana doon or Stockton kabola, di ba? There are trade packages that is still fair kabola na walang Arana o Stockton. Sabi naman ni Ed Sailim, ang buhat plus Ben Phillips is enough. Mikey Williams is not invisible. The trio-guard of Converge is hard to match. Aranya is the tower of Converge. Ang buhat plus Ben Phillips, kabola, maybe N plus, siguro, second round picks, kabola. That will be good enough. Pero overall, this offer is actually very fine, kabola. Now, Glenn Yang, hindi daw din ginagamit ng Hong Kong Eastern na pag-rason kabola yung kanila pong schedule sa tatlong liga. Now, let us at least give respect to Hong Kong for giving their best kabola even though they're competing in 3 leagues, di ba? And for joining the PBA, even alam naman na nila na ganito po kahit maging schedule nila. Pero again, respect to them, and I hope no, they're getting the things that they are looking for when they join the PBA. Now, this is kind of big deal, no? Yung best player of the conference, Bidley Pajardo, is currently the leader pa rin po kabola, is nanganganib na. Kasi nga po kabola, ito nga pong San Miguel Beermen is nanganganib na rin ma-eliminate. So, dito natin nakikita yung repercussion ngayon ng pangit na paglalaro po ngayon ng San Miguel, di ba kabola? Which is talagang nakakagulat in a way kabola, di ba? Kasi pangit ulit yung nilaro nila last conference, yung pangit na naman yan. Parang, ano nangyayari, di ba? Imbes na nag-i-improve sila, pumaga yung mga naging decision nila, is pala ng palala, kabola. Now, we await, kabola, still naman, we know San Miguel is more than capable of winning the championship even though they will be the 8th seed. Alam naman natin kayang-kaya po nila yan, kabola. And the biggest one news right now is Delta Pineda is or confirm kabola na nakafocus na po siya sa Converge, di ba? Pero ang biggest question ko dyan now, what happens? Di ba? Kasi of course ang assumption natin dyan is that magiging siya yung head coach. Pero what happens if nag-champion po ang Converge, di ba? Now, sasabihin mo siguro, champion ng Converge, grabe ka naman, di ba? Imposible yan, ganun ka siguro. Pero if you look at the lineup, if you look at their import, kabola, I think they can do it. And yes, I agree, it will not be easy, kabola, di ba? Nakita naman natin kung ano nangyari po sa game against San Miguel. And we know na experience-wise, medyo tagilid sila. Pero they can, di ba? It is a realistic possibility that they can win the championship in this Commissioner's Cup. Now, kapag nangyari yun, will Delta still sits po as the head coach in the future? Or hayaan muna nila, kabola, yung tandem ni na Charles Chu? I hope, for me, hayaan muna nila. Now, isa-isa na natin mga eliminated teams and let us suggest po type of player. For Terra Firma, I think the player that I can suggest to them is a promising young player. Diba? Someone with a very high potential. Diba, kabola? Kasi if you look po at the current roster, kabola, wala na yung promising na part kasi nga po pinagtatatrade nila, kabola, di ba? And because of that, ngayon medyo buhaw po yung lineup nila. So, they need to find a new promising young player. For Blackwater bossing naman, a giant center. I think obviously na malaking pagkawala po sa kanila ni Troy Rosario. So, they should try to look for another one, kabola, like Amoa Tautua, if they can have him, kabola, kasi nga po, alam naman natin yung importance po ng isang sentro. And for Phoenix, I think it's also a giant center. Ano po, kabola? So, for me, they already have a good size. Tandun si Kai Balungay, kabola. They have a lot of 6'6", pero adding a legit one, kabola, mas gaganda ba? How about consider Greg Slaughter, di ba kabola? Try to negotiate with Northport. Mga kabola, sila ba dapat i-target ng mga teams sa to? Comment lang po. So ba?